Hello, my name is Daisy Tucker and I'm one of the head students this year at Ysgol Gyfun Gymraeg Breredan. I'm currently studying Media Studies, Psychology and Welsh Bac. Sixth form is a great opportunity for students as it offers a completely different experience to previous years in schools, years 7 through 11, as we are given a greater amount of responsibility and it also comes with numerous perks. For example, finally having access to the common room and the workroom. These spaces give us the opportunity to socialise, get to know each other a bit better, and also have a space where we can get our homework and coursework done during school hours and we can go home at the end of the day and relax. We also have access to the cafe in the common room from time to time, which is great as it means we can skip the queues with the rest of the school in the hall and under the canopy. As part of sixth form, there are numerous social events that happen. For example, we as head students organise monthly socials for the sixth form where we all get together in a rugby club in Splot, get to know each other a bit better outside of school. We also occasionally have Broadcast TAF socials, which is socials with the other Welsh schools in Cardiff. For example, last Christmas we got together in Clwb Ifod Bach to listen to bands like Dad Leoli and Taran play. It's great to get to know all the different students from other schools as well. As sixth form, it's also a great opportunity to give back and give our support to the younger years in school. For example, with our mentoring schemes, helping years 7 and 8 with their reading and numeracy skills. And we also have a buddy system for year 7 to make sure that they all feel comfortable in the school moving from year 6 to high school. Another perk to being in sixth form is we have relatively small classes compared to what you'd expect in a college class, which means we have a close relationship with our teachers, and it means we get more hands-on teaching and definitely have the support when we need it. There are numerous events that we can look forward to and get involved with, for example, the Macmillan Coffee Morning, Children in Need Day and prom.